Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to start new chapter, that is factorization. Before this we have done our chapter that is algebraic expression. So in algebraic expression we studied about the expression, and here also we have to study about expression. So here first of all we will understand what is the meaning of factors or what are factors. So here, when an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expression. Suppose we are writing an algebraic expression and it is written in the product of two or more expression. When it is written in the product of two or more than two expression, then each of these expression is called factors of the given expression. Then the expressions which are the product of that algebraic expression, then they are called as the factors of that expression. So now here, after factors we will understand what is factorization. So the process of finding two or more expression. When we find two or more expression whose product is given expression is called factorization. So when we do the product or when we multiply two or more factors or expression, then the factors or the expression which comes out, they are known as factors. And the process of finding two or more expression, when we find two or more expression, then this process is known as factorization. For example, when we take this 3x multiply by 4x minus 5y, that means this 3x will multiply by this 4x, it will be 12x square, and this 3x again multiply by 5y, so it will be minus 15xy. So here we can say, see, this is one expression. This expression comes when we multiply these two expressions. So these two expressions, that is 3x and 4x minus 5y. So this is one expression and this is one expression. So these are known as factor of this expression. So that we can say that 3x and 4x minus 5y are the factors of 12x square minus 15xy. So these are the factor of 12x minus 15xy, and we can say that this process factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. Here is a multiplication when we take out common. So when we take from 12x square and 15xy, we can say that 3x will be the common. When we take 3x common, or when we divide 12x square and minus 15xy by 3x, then it will be 4x minus 5y. That means these two are the factors of this. So on the basis of this we can start our first exercise, that is 7a. So let's start our first exercise, that is 7a. In exercise 7a, see, we have to do factorize. So in question number 1, first part, we have to factorize 12x plus 15. So here this 12x we can write here 3 into 4x plus, and this 15 we can write 3 into 5. So we can take 3 as common. When we take 3 common, so in bracket it will be 4x plus 5, because when we take this 3 common, here will be 4x and 3 has come common outside, then here will be 5. So 3 in bracket 4x plus 5 will be the answer. Now similarly remaining part, you can try second part, you can try yourself. After this, see, it's third part. In third part we have 9n minus 12n square. So in this we can write 3 into 3n minus, on place of 12 we can write here 3 into 4n square. So here we can take 3 as common and 1n also common, because here there is 1n and here 2n. So we can take 1n common. So we can take 3n as common. So in bracket it will be 3 minus 4n. So 3n in bracket 3n minus 4n will be the answer. Now after this, the second question, first part, 16a square minus 24ab. So here we can take this 16 as 8 into 2a square and this 24 as 8 into 3ab. Now we can take this 8 common, and here there are 2a and here is 1a. So we can take a also common. So it will be 8a in bracket 2a minus 3b. This will be the answer, because we have taken common 8a. So here it will be left 2a, 1a is taken as common, so it is 2a, and minus 3b, a is taken as common. Now here see question number 2, third part. Here 12x square y cube minus 21x cube y square. So here we can take 3x square y square as common, because 12 is also divided by 3 and 21 is also divisible by 3. So first of all we can take 3 as common. So 3 will be common, and here x square and here x cube. So we can take x square as common. Here is x y cube and here is y square. So we can take y square also common. So 3x square y square we have taken common. That means we will divide this 12x square y cube by 3x square y square. So here will be 4y. So it will be 4y, and this minus sign will come. Now 21x cube y square will also divided by 3x square y square. So it will be 7x, or we can take 3x square y square common. So in bracket it will be 4y minus 7x. So this will be the answer. Now question number 3, third part. Here we have 36x cube y minus 60x square y cube z. So in this we can take common 12x square y. So it will be 3x minus 5y square z, because this when 36 divisible by 12 it will be 3, and x cube divisible by x square, there will be x, y will be cancelled by this y. Similarly here also this 60x square y cube z will divisible by 12x square y, so it will be 5y square z. This x square will be cancelled and one y will be cancelled, so it will be y square, and here will be z. So this will be the answer. Now after this, see question number 4, first part. Here we have 9x cube minus 6x square plus 12x. So from this we can take 3x as common. So when we take 3x common, it will be 3x square minus 2x plus 4. This will be the answer. Now after this, question number 5, see its second part. Minus 5 minus 10t plus 20t square. So from this we can take minus 5 as common. So when we will take minus 5 as common, so when this minus 5 divided by this minus 5, here will be 1. Similarly this minus 10t will divided by minus 5, so minus minus will be plus, and 10 divided by 5 it will be 2, and here will be t. Similarly 20 divided by minus 5 it will be minus 4 and t square. So minus 5 in bracket 1 plus 2t minus 4t square will be the answer. Now after this, see next question. So in our next question, see question number 6, first part. X into x plus 3 plus 5 into x plus 3. So here we can take 3 this x plus 3 as common. So here is also x plus 3 and here is also x plus 3. We can take this x plus 3 as common. So here will be left x plus 5. So this will be the answer. After this, see question number 7. So in question number 7 we have 6a in bracket a minus 2b plus 5b a minus 2b. Here we can take common a minus 2b. Here is also a minus 2b. So we can take a minus 2b as common. So here it will, in bracket it will be left 6a minus 6a plus 5b. So this will be the answer. Now after this, see question number 10. In question number 10 we have x plus 5 whole square minus 4x plus 5. So here power of x plus 5 is 2. That means here is 2x plus 5. So we can take x plus 5 as common. So when we take x plus 5 as common, 1x plus 5 will left. So here 1x plus 5 will come here, and this x plus 5 is common. Here 4 will left. So here x plus 5 and x 5 minus 4 will be 1. So it will be x plus 1. So x plus 5 and x plus 1 will be the answer. Now after this, see question number 12. In question number 12 we have 2a plus 6b minus 3 in bracket a plus 3b whole square. So first of all we can take 2 as common from 2a plus 3b. So when we take 2 common, it will be a plus 3b. Now we have a plus 3b and here a plus 3b square. So we can take one a plus 3b as common. So here 2 will left and here minus 3 and a plus 3b will left, because here is a square, we can take one common. So here a plus 3b Now when we solve it, it will be 2. This minus 3 will multiply by this bracket, so minus 3 into a will be minus 3, and minus plus will be minus, and 3 into 3b will be 9b. So this will be answer, a plus 3b in bracket 2 minus 3a minus 9b will be answer. Now after this, see question number 15. In question number 15 we have this 12 in bracket 2x minus 3y whole square minus 16 3y minus 2x. So here we can write it as, on place of 12 we can write 4 into 3, and in bracket 2x minus 3y whole square. Here on place of, see here one thing is there, here is 2x minus 3y, but here is 3y minus 2x. When we take this minus common, so when this minus will come out, this will become plus, and here on place of 16 we can write 4 into 4. When we take minus common, so this minus 2x will become plus 2x, and this plus 3y will become minus 3y. We are doing this because we have to make them equal, that is 2x minus 3y, and now it is also 2x minus 3y, so that we can take it common. So now here we can take 4 and 2x minus 3y as common, so here it will left 3 in bracket 2x minus 3y, and here 4 will be left, so plus 4. Now we can solve it. It will be 4 in bracket 2x minus 3y, and when we solve this, 3 will multiply by this bracket, it will be 6x, and 3 into 3 will be minus 9y and plus 4. So this will be the answer. So answer will be 4 in bracket 2x minus 3y and 6x minus 9y plus 4. Now after this, see question number 18. In question number 18 we have x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. So from these we can take x as common, so it will be x minus a, and from these we can take minus b as common, so in bracket it will be x minus a. Now we can take x minus a as common, so here x minus a, now here it will be left x and minus b, so x minus a and x minus b will be answer. Now after this, see question number 21. In 21 we have 6ab minus b square plus 12ac minus 2bc. So from these we can take b as common, so when we take b common, it will be 6a minus b, and here we can take 2c as common. When we take 2c as common, it will be 6a minus b. So here 6a minus b is common, so we can take 6a minus b common, and in bracket it will be b plus 2c. So 6a minus b and b plus 2c will be answer. Now after this, the next question. So in question number 23 we have y square minus xy in bracket 1 minus x cube. So we can write it x square, this xy will multiply by this bracket, so it will become minus xy, and minus minus will be plus. When this xy multiply by this x, it will be x square y. So here minus x cube. Now we can take y as common from y square minus xy, so it will be in bracket y will come out, and here in bracket y minus x will left. So here also we can take x square as common, so it will be y minus x. Now y minus x and y minus x will come out, they are common, so in bracket it will be x plus y plus x square. So y minus x in bracket y plus x square will be answer. Now similarly, see question number 28. Here we have x square minus x in bracket a plus 2b and plus 2ab. So it is x square, and we multiply minus x with a plus 2b, so it will be minus ax, and minus plus will be minus, so it will be 2bx. When this x multiply by this 2b, it will be 2bx, and here it will be 2ab. Now we can take x common from these two, so when we take x common, it will be x minus a. From here we can take minus 2b common, so when we take minus 2b common, in this x will be left, and we have taken minus common, so on place of this plus we will write here minus, and 2b is common, so a will be left here. Now from this, x minus a and x minus a will be common, so x minus a, and in bracket here x minus 2b will left, so x minus a and x minus 2b is answer. Now after this, note down your homework. So your homework is, first of all you have to do exercise 7a. So you have to do exercise 7a, and you can also try solved example. Also try solved examples. These solved examples are given in your book, so you have to complete this exercise. After this, we will start our next exercise, that is 7b. So thank you for watching the video.